Some of my friends they shared to me and they said that you want to know more about Islam or you want to accept Islam.
Yes. How to do Islam?
So can you please make your video on? Can you come to video or this is difficult for you?
Baba?
Can you make it your video on? Your camera on? You see video ما عندك كم قادرت. Okay, so can you please repeat your name once again? Zeno. So first of all, Islam means a religion on which Allah created human being, and Allah sent all His messengers with the same religion. As Allah mentioned in the Quran, Surah Al-Nahl, chapter 16, verse number from 46, Allah said, وَلَقَدْ بَعَثْنَا فِي كُلِّ أُمَّةٍ رَسُولًا. Oh, Prophet Muhammad, we have sent you a lot of messengers before you, and we decreed to them or we revealed to them the word which says La ilaha illallah. That means there is no God except Allah. And also Isa also or Jesus also said in Surah Maryam, chapter 19, verse number 36, he said, Inna Allah Rabbi wa Rabbukum fa'abuduh. Allah is my God and your God, so worship Him alone, and that is straight path. And it's also the same verse also mentioned Surah Al-Zukhruf, chapter 43, verse number 64, and also Surah Al-Imran, chapter 3, verse number from 51. On those all verses, and Isa or Jesus taught his people, Allah is my God and your God, so worship Him alone, he said. So if someone came to Islam, he should testify that there is only one God, that is Allah, and all messengers, they are only messengers of God. So that means Islam has 5 pillars. The first one is you should testify that you have to make witness that there is only one God except Allah, and Muhammad is the messenger of God. And the second thing is you have perform salah, and then you have to make it zakah, and you have to make it you have to fast the month of Ramadan, and also you have to make it Hajj. So this are the pillars of Islam, and those all pillars Allah commanded all His messengers. And so are you ready now to accept Islam? Are you ready now?
Yes.
So now follow me and say, repeat what I say. Say, Ashhadu.
Ashhadu.
Allah ilaha.
La ilaha.
Allah ilaha illallah.
La ilaha illallah.
Wa ashhadu. وأشهد أن محمدا رسول الله. رسول الله. محمدا رسول الله. وأن رسول الله. وأن محمدا رسول الله. وأن
Hannah,
Isa
Isa,
عبده
Abdu,
ورسوله.
wa Rasul.
I bear witness. I bear witness. I bear witness.
Bear witness.
Witness. There is no God.
Witness.
There is no God.
Yes,
There is no God.
there is no God
But Allah.
but Allah.
Muhammad is
Muhammad is
the last prophet
the last prophet
and a messenger of God.
أمسينا وأمسى الملك لله.
messenger of God.
And Isa
And Isa,
or Jesus
or Jesus,
is also
is your son,
a messenger
a messenger,
and a servant of Allah.
a messenger,
And a servant of Allah.
a messenger of Allah.
Yes, so from now on, Alhamdulillah, you accept Islam and you are our Muslim sister. So Allah has commanded, Allah has ordered us to believe in all messengers and all prophets, and also Allah has revealed a lot of books, and you have to believe in all those books. And in Islam, we don't make any sect, and we don't differ in all of His messengers. And we believe and we respect all messengers, as Allah mentioned in the Quran. And منهم من قصصنا عليك ومنهم من لم نقصص عليك. That means there are a lot of messengers, those mentioned in the Quran,